UNISWAP cost gauges for the years 2023, 2025, 2030, or so they essentially thought. We here will sort of give you the 10 years itemized cost expectations for UNISWAP, UNA. The UNISWAP sort of has in practically no time generally acquired extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers are interested, and looking through the inquiries like most certainly is UNISWAP, UNA a by and large wise speculation, or so they in a real sense thought. Is UNA genuinely worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? What will basically be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025 and 2030 in an unobtrusive way? How kind of high might UNISWAP at any point go? Our aid will sort of provide you with a thought of the UNISWAP expected development and its cost forecast, all from genuinely profound specialized investigation to basic past cost diagrams, which certainly is very huge. UNISWAP sort of past value examination as per the scarcely the most recent market information. Today the cost of UNISWAP, UNA is $4.36, and UNA generally is as of now position number 25 in the by and large whole crypto market. As opposed to mainstream thinking, the dissemination supply of UNA really is 577,501,036 with a market cap of $2,519,477,975 in genuinely most recent 24 hours. In the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been somewhere near 1.29%. In its ongoing cost esteem amazingly, on the off chance that we most certainly look at the 24-hour market cap of the UNISWAP with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise in kind of descending pattern in a by and large significant manner. UNISWAP certainly is as yet confronting a kind of tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins in the market in an extremely significant way. The UNA is down to practically 0.28% in the very most recent 7 days in a very large manner. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for commonly beyond couple of days. The coin could generally have major areas of strength for especially at the same time. We don't actually feel that it would a productive resource in truly present moment, which is very huge. Inside the most recent 30 days, the cost of UNA has been somewhere near CHNAGE%, disposing of an incredible really normal cost of $1.96 from its genuinely current cost. This unexpected kind of descending development implies that the coin essentially is in plunge at the present time. And it can truly be an especially decent in a real sense purchase a valuable open door for speedy interest in a quite huge manner. The 90 days cost change certainly is near 37.11%, and the cost certainly flowed from an in every way that really matters, least by and large normal worth of $6.47, to pretty greatest especially normal worth of $7.01 in the beyond 90 days. UNISWAP is somewhere near 33.26%, with the exceptionally most extreme typical cost of the coin explicitly was around $6.65, and the base typical cost of certainly was around $6.32 in sort of beyond 4 months, in an especially significant manner. UNISWAP value estimate for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2030. We explicitly foresee future UNA cost expectations UNISWAP figures by applying essentially profound fundamentally fake learning specialized examination on the verifiable value information of UNISWAP in a sort of significant manner. We give our all to for the most part gather greatest verifiable information for the UNA coin, which fundamentally incorporate pretty different variables like past value, market cap, volume and more in a very significant way. On the off chance that you are hoping to put resources into cryptographic money market, in every practical sense, try to in every practical sense, read our expectations in a for the most part enormous manner. UNISWAP value expectation for 2023 as per our estimate, in 2023, the cost of UNISWAP especially is supposed to basically reach at an essentially least value level of $4.19. Or so they thought. The UNA cost can in a real sense arrive at a most extreme worth of $4.71, with the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging cost of $4.58. UNISWAP value expectation for 2024, according to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2024, The cost of UNISWAP in every practical sense is anticipated to explicitly reach at an especially least worth of $6.74 in an especially large manner. The unit cost can by and large arrive at a most extreme degree of $7.70, with the exceptionally normal exchanging cost of $6.92. Or so they explicitly thought. UNISWAP Value Estimate 2025-2026. The cost of UNISWAP is basically anticipated to generally reach at an in every way that really matters least degree of $9.80 in 2025, which most certainly is genuinely critical. The UNISWAP cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $11.89, with the very normal cost of $10.15 all through 2025. Or so they especially thought. The cost of UNISWAP is anticipated to fundamentally reach at an essentially least degree of $14.97 in 2026 in a significant manner. The UNISWAP cost can for the most part arrive at a greatest degree of $17.28, with the really normal cost of $15.48 all through 2026, in an unobtrusive manner. Value expectation for 2027 UNISWAP cost is gauged to arrive at an in a real sense, the most reduced degree of $22.77 in 2027 in a significant manner. According to our discoveries, the unit cost could arrive at a sort of most extreme degree of $26.95, with the especially normal gauge cost of $23.39. Value expectation for 2028. As per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of UNA in 2028, the cost of UNISWAP in every practical sense is determined to all things considered be at around a really least worth of $33.38 by and large, in spite of mainstream thinking. The UNISWAP value worth can in a real sense arrive at a kind of limit of $39.29, with the typical exchanging worth of $34.31 in United States dollars, which generally is very critical. UNISWAP value expectation for 2029. The cost of one UNISWAP unit certainly is supposed to basically reach at a truly least degree of $47.99 in 2029, which generally is very critical. The unit cost can really arrive at a greatest degree of $58.88, with the by and large normal cost of $49.37 all through 2029. UNISWAP value expectation figure for 2030, according to the estimate and especially profound specialized examination, in 2030. The cost of UNISWAP is supposed to basically reach at any rate value worth of $73.31 in an unobtrusive manner. The unit cost can arrive at a for the most part greatest